Okay, we're back. Competition engines, quick video, as everyone knows, and they're very popular. We're getting a lot of calls for these engines. Do-it-yourself kit. Parts only or parts and machining kit. This is a 434 Cleveland hydraulic roller deal. 600 plus horsepower, has a small hydraulic roller heading to Sydney to an engine guy that's going to build it for his customer. So all the parts, as you can see, the block's completely finished. Cylinder heads are completely finished. The manifolds are been machined and matched to the cylinder heads. Our AFD camshafts, specific, so we have our own custom camshafts, as we've discussed before. All bearings, sumps, Pro Systems carby, MSD ignition, Cometic gaskets, compression, everything's checked. We give the customer a blueprint sheet. So this is ready for him to final wash and assemble. So I'm just about to put the cam bearings in this. All this will get wrapped up in plastic. It will go on a pallet and it will get sent to New South Wales. So do-it-yourself kits, Chevys, Holdens, Windsors and Clevelands is our specialty.